talking about accuracy also is wonderful. So we are able to disperse our salaries by 5th of every month without delay and almost error free. Hi, I am Ravi Prakash, CFO of Fortune Group. We have a consists of almost 8 companies, automobile dealerships. Earlier we used to, before 24/7, we used to work on Excel. It was using a lot of tasks, like every time there was a lot of mistakes and corrections. So many things used to happen and a lot of time we used to spend on this, and we are unable to deliver as cut-off date. Our salary payday was 5th, but we used to deliver 5th, 6th, 7th, like that. It used to happen. Yeah, I think 2017 we have taken a 247 HRM software. Since then, I think it was almost good. I think we are able to deliver on time. Deliver means, what I mean to say, salaries is used to disburse by 5th or so, other thing. And there is almost error free. It is almost 99% error free. And our people are also very well versed with the HRM, and it was upgraded. I think 2020 they have upgraded their software, and 23 again they went into cloud. I think we are working with them last 2017 onwards. I think by and large it is all going good. Automation always will be beneficial, because when managing around 2,000 employees in Excel or something is highly impossible, because as I said earlier, there was almost 8 companies we used to manage. Maintaining in Excel is very difficult. So we had with them HRMS, these people 24/7. Those people are very cooperative and responsive, and whenever we find any difficulty, they used to on call, they used to support, and it is going good. And there is a lot of change, because not only time consuming, I am talking about accuracy also is wonderful. So we are able to disburse our salaries by 5th of every month without delay and almost error free. It is so easy, because we used to maintain Excel. Excel will have a lot of errors, and there will be a lot of things. Always the digitalization and even softwares will give a correct picture, and as so as 247 HRM also, it is almost error free. We are getting the salaries on time. Almost, as I said earlier, that is almost error free, and it is giving a lot of comfort. And employees' attendance, or whatever we want to capture, people attendance, and everything is captured. I think in 23 they have introduced the cloud. In the cloud it is so easy, even sales and marketing people through app also they can present their attendance, which can be captured, and we are able to deliver or disburse the salaries by 5th hassle free.